Hi guys, I'm Vikas. I'm one of the PTE trainers here at Bangalore, India. Today, let's understand some factors that we should consider while we book our PTE exam. I know it sounds relatively simple, but stay tuned, you're in for a treat. If you find the video useful, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.
All right. So, for those of you who are considering or thinking, why am I even covering this topic? This topic is basically about how you should go about booking your PT exam. Now, for those of you who are thinking that you could just go to the PT website, the official PT website, and enter your details and just go ahead and book it. It's probably really that simple. But then let me give you a set of factors that you should consider before you book your PT exam. Now, by doing this, you will be well prepared, and this also gives you a very good chance of getting your desired score in the very first go or the very first attempt. Now, the very first factor that you'll have to consider here is that you'll have to do a true introspect, understand and assess your language skills or your English skills. Now, you should know where you stand. I mean, when you go through the format of PTE, you will be able to understand. If you probably take up a couple of tests, you'll get an even better idea. Now, you'll also have to understand how much score you want to achieve. I mean, there are quite a few folks, who are happy with the 60 plus, or some of them are absolutely adamant on getting a 90 or a 79 plus. Now that you've decided on the kind of score you want to achieve, plan your preparation time accordingly. I would strongly recommend that you give yourself at least 30 days time, no matter how good or bad you are with English. Right. I mean, if you're a rookie, if you're not too good with the language, I would recommend that you give yourself at least a 2-month window. All right. But if you're average, or even if you're good enough, I would still recommend that you give yourself a 30-day preparation time, or at least 3 weeks of preparation time. Now that you've considered the date, I would recommend that you use coupons. Now, there are a couple of vendors out there who buy these PTE vouchers in bulk, and because they buy these vouchers in bulk, they get them for a discounted rate, and they also give it to you at a discounted rate, which means you could also save a couple of dollars while you're booking your PTE exam. And most of these PT coupon suppliers also provide a free practice mock test, and some of them are even graded. So go ahead, book your PT exam using these coupons. Once you buy these coupons, you'll probably get the link online, or you'll get the coupon code online. Use the coupon code, go to the official website and just go ahead and book them. All right. Now, this is a really important tip. The reason why this is really important is not just because it saves you money, but also because it gives you a lot of free practice mock tests. This is essential guys, and some of it are so good that they could possibly have repeated questions. Okay. Now, the other factor that you'll have to consider is practice and more practice. Practice as much as you can and give yourself enough time to practice. The last and the most important aspect while booking your PT exam is consider the closest venue. All right, make sure it if it's at a walkable distance, nothing like it, but just make sure you choose the closest venue, and go ahead and visit it once before your exam, so you're not confused on the day of exam as to where it is, and you're not really looking for the address as such. And also book a date that you're comfortable with. I mean, if you have a preferred day or date, or any lucky day, I don't know, anything that works best for you. Right. So I hope these factors are helpful in you guys deciding on how you should be booking your PT exams. If you have any questions or queries, please feel free to leave a comment below. I will be more than happy to help you guys. This is Vikas from PTE Lectures. You guys have a great day. Thank you for watching.